Hi, Katie. What are you doing? Oh, you're visiting the guinea pigs? Is that right? Well, everybody likes a guinea pig every now and then, but not you, and that's why we have the fortress. It is a double wide trailer I'm looking at for the pigs, because we have a predator in the hole. Yep, that's you, Katie. So would you eat a pig if you had the opportunity? I'm asking for a friend. Would you? Yeah, you would, wouldn't you? So, the boys won't. 2 wiener dogs and a cat that had a pandemic cat that had was neutered and spaded, which is, I don't even want to talk about it. So, no. We're not eating the pigs. Okay? We're not doing it. Nobody eats the pigs. It's not a good plan. It's kind of bad manners, don't you think? I think it's bad manners. We don't eat our family members. Got it?